If you want abundance, you cannot send negative and lack and scarcity towards another human being. Hello, I'm going to answer the question, how does the law of attraction work in my life? I always get what I attract. I know that, and so do you. In this short video, I will tell you more about the law of attraction and how it works. My name is Tessa-Marie, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you will find the answers to life's true happiness and success. Subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when videos of this nature are released. The law of attraction and you. That is an amazing thing, and it's all saturated into the 5 pillars of prosperity. It rolls in there. The law of attraction is a big guy. The law of attraction is a stunningly amazing woman, sensuous and beautiful. Yeah, that's who she is and who he is. They have a friend though. The law of attraction has a dear friend, a very close friend. And that close friend of the law of attraction, they go together everywhere. Guess what? Gratitude and the law of attraction are siblings, bosom buddies, the best of friends. Where one goes, the other follows. Where the other follows, the other one goes. So, you're having problems manifesting abundance and all of that. You have to change your mindset. And I can guide you with that through the 5 pillars of prosperity and how you think, how you go through that journey called life. Because you see, it doesn't matter how old you are, as long as you're breathing, you have control to pull abundance into your life. Abundance and the law of attraction, you believe that's all it gives. But your mindset has to have the gratitude in it, the thankfulness in it, the acknowledgement in it. And your words have to be aligned with that. So the law of attraction is just 3 words, law of attraction. It has a lot of pieces to this puzzle. Because it is a puzzle for many who are not able to attract the abundance they desire in their life. Maybe not even a financial abundance, but maybe a spiritual abundance, a physical abundance, a mental abundance, emotional abundance, and naturally financial abundance. The 5 pillars. That's it. How are you working with your 5 pillars? When last did you criticize somebody else and say they were poor, they had no money, and they're this, and you criticize the other person? And on the other hand, you are still not getting where you're going. So that's why I ask everybody that I teach, that I inspire, and I follow that. If you want abundance, you cannot send negative and lack and scarcity towards another human being. That is not the way this works. You want abundance from you, but you speak scarcity and lack for me. It has nothing to do with me. So if you are sitting there, I am rich, I am wealthy, I have $5 million in my bank account and all of that, and you don't have it yet, because this is just the top surface of how the law of attraction works. Everybody thinks you just have to affirm it and it will come. No, you have to be it for it to come. You have to behave like you are it for it to come. You have to be in it for it to come. You have to feel it first before it comes. You have to taste it before you come. You have to imagine it before it comes. You have to visualize it before it comes. You have to manifest it before it comes. All of that is your actions. How are you doing this? How are you want to attract abundance when you speak negative and scarcity and disgusting things about others? So no matter where you are on this journey called life, as long as you're breathing, you can change that. And you can really do and get abundance in your life. And the law of attraction will bring it to you. Right along with your being grateful that you have the ability today to think. You have a choice of words you can use today to talk about someone, and it's the right words, yes. And you acknowledge, I am alive today. I am happy and grateful to have this opportunity to be here to try and to do better than I did yesterday. When last were you grateful for the very breath of life itself? You do not acknowledge you are breathing, but you want more of what? More money, more abundance? Will you acknowledge it when you get it? Answer that to gratitude. And tell that to the law of attraction. I am going to give you some tips right now that you can use so that you change your paradigm, so that you can bring the law of attraction and gratitude align with you, so that you can have the life of abundance that you are craving. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here, and you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. You want to attract more abundance in your life. But lately, whenever you see yourself, you go in and you say how little you have. You do not acknowledge that you had $1 today. You have to shift your paradigm. You have to change your attitude, your words, what you say. And when you shift that, it's going to be challenging and difficult for you to stop criticizing everybody and sending negative vibes all over the world to whoever it is. Sometimes to people you just heard. You do not like their politics, but you are disgusting them. You don't like them because they're rich, but you want abundance. That's dumb. How can you say that I want more and you're criticizing those that have? The universe and God and the angels and anybody that's going to deliver the abundance to you is confused. What do they really want? Your behavior. Another thing is, I know someone, for no reason at all, having a conversation. Oh, Tessa-Marie, I have $5 million in the bank. I have $5 million in the bank. Right. I don't know you well enough to know. I don't see your bank account. I'm not your banker, your financial advisor. Okay, fine. But then I observe something. That same person walks around and will take advantage of others, make promises to say, okay, I will donate to this charity, I will help in this community, and they never show up. They leave these people they made these promises to holding an empty bag. They meet you in the city and they say to you, hey, can you give me $20 for gas? Can you buy me a coffee? You're sitting there. They say, let's go to lunch. And they never take up the check. But they say they have $5 million in the bank. But then after talking and conversing, they said to me, I am affirming it. I have it. If I say it, law of attraction, I'll get it. If I say it enough times, it will come. I say, oh yeah? I said, so what about the barriers that you're putting before it? What barrier? I said, the barrier that you haven't taken down yet. What do you mean? I said, well, you're on land on earth that your parents gave you as a gift to start your life. Have you ever walked that land and feel your parents' energy? And I'm so happy and grateful they gave me this plot of land to build my house. They left you a legacy of money. Have you gone and looked at it? Have you even been grateful where you're standing is a place to be blessed? Have you done that? If you have $5 million in the bank, I asked him, tell me, why are you always borrowing and never paying anybody you owe their money to? Tell me. I don't do that. I said, you did it to me. So what's your point? So you want to attract, but you're not willing to pay your creditors or to honor the arrangements you made with your friend to say, I'll buy lunch next time, but I have no money, I can't do it. How can it ever grow? You are going to find yourself working always, not getting there. And then complain, oh, my truck broke down today. Oh, this is that. My gear shift is not working. I heard those tales. I observed those humans. And I'm telling you, if you desire abundance, act with an abundance attitude. Don't go into debt to do it. But do not be afraid to share what you know or what you have with others. If you're going to go to have a coffee, take up the coffee this time. Pay. Or a meal, decide, okay, I'll pay for the meal today. If you really believe by saying that, you cannot be saying you're wealthy and living like you're poor. It cancels each other out. You cannot keep saying affirmations, but your attitude depicts that you are living a life of scarcity, a mindset that is not aligned with $5 million. And then you forget the key ingredient to getting what you desire is to appreciate what you already have. Be grateful. Be grateful. Do not criticize others. Be grateful you have a friend that paid for the meal. Be grateful. Shower gratitude with your breath. I am grateful I can breathe. I'm grateful I can walk. Grateful I can cook. I can study bean pot. I am grateful I can do something for me. You want to attract abundance? You want to pull the law of attraction to bend to you? Show the law of attraction that what you already have, you are grateful for it. Set that standard. Act like you've got it already. Behave with an attitude that, yes, I feel good. If I can have this, I can have that. It'll come in my way. Because I am going to believe anybody. I'll not cut you down. I'll not criticize you. I have no opinions of you. I make no assumptions. I do not gossip about you. Spend time on you being grateful. And the law of attraction loves to give you more reasons to be grateful. So take that from me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now, because I am Tessa-Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel. There I will always give you something to make your life better, and have a great day.